What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I've been very cautious with these high income options income ETFs. I still like NVDY. I'm going to still continue to hold NVDY and use its passive income to buy dividend growth stocks. So I'm going to show you a few things right now. So right here, with my total amount of shares, I have 372 shares. Now, long-term wise, am I going to generate a lot of passive income with them? There's no guarantees, but the trends are very good. So I just changed this into I moved a lot of ETFs. I moved a lot of the Defiance ETFs in here. My Yieldmax ETFs I threw in here. So I'm kind of excited to really build this. And again, 372 shares. What I'm considering doing is buying shares on E-Trade and building this even stronger over time. That's one thing I have in mind. But the other thing is I want to go over some actual interesting information with NVDY. This is not guaranteed, but this is the growth of $10,000 with dividends reinvested, $27,242.64. That's if you had $10,000 and you reinvested the dividends since inception. Is that guaranteed for long term? I can't really say so, because if things go bad, things are going to get bad. Here's a growth of $10,000 without dividends reinvested. So since inception, if you put in $10,000, you got $22,602.85. The other thing I want to go over is the dividend history. I'm on stockanalysis.com. You start in June 2023, 74 cents, 95 cents, 81 cents, 92 cents, October 67 cents, November 41 cents, December 50 cents, January 62 cents, February 153, March 262, April 262, May 119, June 256, July 247, August 125, and then in September 135. So it's some nice. Now it has a 73.81% dividend yield. It uses synthetic covered calls. It's not actual shares of NVDY. So you have to be aware of that. And I've done numerous reviews on NVDY. In implementing NVDY with QDTE, XDTE, and RDTE, and FEPI and AIPI is going to help my dividend portfolio. It's going to help my dividends or my passive income buy dividend growth stock. So I'm going to jump to that real quick. And also show you my most recent dividend income. I made $279 with ADP, FSK 331.72 plus 297. Kimberly-Clark gave me a nice 564. Oaktree Specialty Lending gave me 2616. Regions Financial Corp gave me 2197. But I want to go over the trends that I had. So certain weeks with QDTE and RDTE, I'm earning pretty good passive income. Then I got the YMAX and AIPI, which gave me some pretty good distribution of 84.15 this month. I'm sorry, for the month of September. So I do have opportunities to build my dividend portfolio with this passive income. So I'm going to show you my holdings real quick. So like I said, NVDY, I have 372 shares. XDTE, I have 54. AIPI, I have 56. QDTE, I have 66. So, and also I want to go over one thing that's kind of exciting is One Oak. I need to get more shares of them. That's a really good dividend growth stock, a high yielder. So there's a lot of things I need to look into and build my dividend growth portfolio, but they've done a pretty good job for me. So I want to just confirm with you guys, I would not put it in a traditional or Roth IRA. So I'm going to invest in a traditional IRA or Roth IRA. I'll show you an example of basically my big traditional IRA that I rolled over from my hospital. It was like pretty much VTI, but this one's a little bit better of a growth ETF, which I'll go over. And I have a lot of shares in Vanguard Mega Cap Growth Index Fund. MGK is a symbol. It's sitting at 317.72. I feel more confident investing in MGK than I do with having like a Yieldmax ETF in my IRA. The goal with an IRA is to be in line with the S&P or beat the S&P 500. I don't see anything wrong investing in the S&P 500 ETF, VOO. So just be aware of that, I don't have NVDY or QDTE or RDTE or XDTE into my IRA. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. I will have a video for you guys on Saturday. Take care and have a good one. I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Yes, I do own MGK. I own NVDY. I do own QDTE, XDTE, RDTE, AIPI, and FEPI. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence. It is best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor and tax advice from a tax advisor. Go to them for financial advice and tax advice. Don't use my YouTube channel or any of my social media posts as a reference. Be aware, again, with your investments, you can lose money. So you have to do your due diligence. You have to make smart, economic, strategic decisions when it comes to your dividend portfolio. Don't use me as a reference. You don't have to buy stocks or ETFs because I do. So take care and have a great Friday.